Hi everyone, welcome to A+ Calculus. This is yet another video in the series of SAT Math concept revision videos. So far we have done revision of exponential functions, trigonometry, triangles, straight lines, quadratics, and circles. And in this video, we will be reviewing angles. So every single concept that you need to know for angles will be covered in this video. Okay. So the first thing is the type of angles that you need to know. Okay, so first, this one is called a straight angle. If you see a straight line, this is a straight line. So the angle formed at a straight line is called straight angle, and it measures 180 degrees. Then you have linear pair. You will not get any direct questions based on these concepts, but these concepts will be tested in combination of questions. Okay, the next is linear pairs. So if you see a straight line and it is cut by another line, right? So you get two angles, this one and this one, right? So this angle plus this angle will also give us 180 degrees because this total angle is 180, and we have divided this angle in two parts. So this angle plus this angle will be also 180. And if you divide this angle, the straight angle, into three parts, so 1, 2, 3, even then these three angles will add up to 180 degrees. Then this one is the most important, vertical angles or vertically opposite angles. Now, if you see an X, so you have two straight lines. If two straight lines intersect and you get an X, like English letter X, okay, so we get two pairs of angles. This is one pair and this is another pair, right? So these pairs are called vertical angles or vertically opposite angles. And the property of vertical angles is that they are congruent. Okay, so here this angle X and angle Y, they will be congruent, and angle P and angle Q will be congruent. Then we have these angle pairs, which you will see when two parallel lines are cut by a transversal. So here you can see line L and N are parallel. It's given that line L and N are parallel. And this line is called a transversal. It is cutting two parallel lines. Then you will see certain type of angle pairs. First is corresponding angles. Now the corresponding angles are angle 1 and angle 5, angle 2 and angle 6, angle 4 and angle 8, and angle 3 and angle 7. These angle pairs are corresponding angles. Here I mentioned them. And these angles will be congruent. Okay. So how will you remember that what are corresponding angles? So if you start with angle 1, you stay on the same side, you leave one angle, so you leave 4, and the next angle that you get, which is angle 5. So angle 1 and angle 5 will make a pair of corresponding angles, and they will be congruent. Then the next pair is called alternate interior angles. So here, angle 4 and angle 6 are alternate interior angles, and angle 3 and angle 5 are alternate interior angles. Okay, so how will you identify alternate interior angles? If you see a Z forming up, a Z or mirror image of Z, the English letter Z, right? So if you see this type of figure and these two lines are parallel, then this angle and this angle, they will make a pair of alternate interior angles. Similarly, here, if you see a mirror image of Z and this line is parallel to this line, so this angle and this angle, they make a pair of alternate interior angles, and they are also congruent. The next is alternate exterior angles. So alternate exterior angles are angle 1 and angle 7 and angle 2 and angle 8. Okay, so they are just outside the parallel lines. Okay, so see over here, if you extend this line, and here you extend this one. Okay, so this angle and this angle, they are alternate exterior angles, and here this angle and this angle. They will be alternate exterior angles. Okay, next is interior angles on same side of transversal are supplementary. So first of all, you need to understand what do we mean by the word interior and the word exterior. So the word interior means the angles which are between the parallel lines. So angle 3, 4, 5, 6, they are interior angles, and angle 1, 2, 7, 8, they are exterior angles. So now the interior angles which are on the same side of the transversal. Okay, so we have 3, 4, 5, and 6, they are interior angles. Now the pairs which are on the same side, so angle 3 and angle 6, they are on the same side. So they will add and they will give us 180 degrees. Similarly, angle 4 and angle 5, they are on the same side. So they will be also supplementary. That means their sum will be 180 degrees. Okay. Next is you should know how to convert an angle. Next is you should know how to convert the units of angles. So by now you would be knowing that there are two units to measure an angle. First is degrees and the other one is radians. Okay, so you should know how to convert an angle from degrees to radians and from radians to degrees. Okay, for that, you should know just one thing, that in 180 degrees, we have pi radians. Just this fact, you should remember this fact. So 180 degrees are equivalent to pi radians. So 1 degrees will be equivalent to pi over 180 radians. So if you have to convert an angle from degree to radians, you just have to multiply it by pi over 180 degrees. Okay, and 1 radian will be equal to 180 degrees over pi degrees. So if you have to convert an angle from radian to degrees, you just multiply that by 180 over pi. This is important. You should know this. Sometimes you'll get a very easy question based on this simple concept. And that's it for the topic of angles. And if you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends and give it a like. And do not forget to subscribe to this channel, because if just your one subscribe, like, it's nothing for you, but it will be so much for me. It gives me so much motivation to keep coming up with new videos, with new tips and tricks, with new resources. So please give this video a like and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for your time. I'll see you in the next video.